Hi guys, welcome back to our next tutorial on how to use Beanstack from Bastrop Public Library. So now that my pretend child Joe has read 500 plus minutes, he gets a prize. Yay! I am so proud of you, Joe. Way to go.
If I scroll down past the challenge badges and down to the logging badges,
I can see that he has received 100 minutes, 200 minutes, 300 minutes, 400 minutes, 500 minutes. Yes. Then I can go to ticket drawings. Okay, so for youth aged 0 to 17, for every 500 minutes they read or increment of 500 minutes, they will receive a ticket to put into the grand prize of their choice. And with all of these tickets, in the past, you've had to redeem those tickets and put them in a little jar here at the library. That's not how we're doing it this year because of public safety. We are reducing the number of people who visit the library. So instead, we've put all of the tickets and all of the baskets and all of the drawing information on Beanstack. So as you can see, we can pick whichever basket we want to put Joe's ticket in. Okay, and new also this year, we've opened it up so that you can put it into any basket if you choose. So as a mother, if I wanted to really make sure that Joe got the Lego basket, which he really, really wanted, and if I was being a selfless mother, I could put my tickets that I got from reading into the Lego basket. And then if my name gets drawn, I can give it to Joe, or vice versa. Um, if a child wanted to maybe get a basket for their parents' birthday or Christmas in the future, that's fine. Go for it. Um, but you guys get the gist. You can put your ticket into any basket this year. So I'm going to click Add Ticket. And I have one ticket available. So I clicked my little plus sign to indicate that I wanted to put one of my tickets in there. And I just clicked my green Enter One Ticket. So I had one ticket entered and I have 0 tickets left. So no more tickets for me. But if I go back to rewards, I will see that I have also received a prize book for logging 500 minutes. But again, for health and sanitation concerns, as well as limited numbers of people permitted in the library at a time, you may pick up your paper coupon for a prize book with your curbside items. Just leave us a note in your curbside request or tell us on the phone with your curbside request that you need to pick up your summer reading prizes. We will put a little paper coupon in with your curbside, and you can then redeem that coupon back at the library when things have opened up a little bit more. Those coupons will not expire until the end of September. And hopefully things will be all back to normal by then. So as you read, you will earn virtual tickets that you can put into baskets online, and you will receive prize books, of which you will receive a physical coupon with your curbside request, which you can then redeem later on once the library has opened up. If you have additional questions or you need help with any of this, give us a call, 512-332-8894, and we will gladly help you. Thanks, guys, and happy reading.